In this video, I'll show you how to gift a game to a friend on Steam. Before we begin, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's dive in. Here we are on the Steam app or the Steam website. On the Steam store page, on the right hand side is the search box for the games available on Steam. Simply type in the game that you wish to give to a friend or user. Also make sure that this user is in your friends list. On the store page of the game you wish to gift, select Add to Cart. Now you can select to purchase for yourself or to purchase as a gift. Select Purchase as a gift. You'll then have to find the correct friend to gift the game to. Below, you can even schedule the game delivery if it's for a special occasion, such as a birthday present, for example. Next, enter the recipient's name and enter a gift message. After, click on Continue. You'll have to enter your payment details or use your Steam Wallet funds. And you can then review your purchase and you are done. I hope this helped and thanks for watching.